So we're just nearing the end of the semester now, but this past semester in second year, I had about two days per week where I was like in on campus, like going to lectures and going to practicals. And then the other like 2 or 3 days, I was kind of in a clinical setting, whether that was for small group, like case-based discussion sessions, or you're learning like clinical history and examination like skills, or every Friday, like I had a placement with the general practitioners. So I was just kind of observing them and helping out and starting to apply some of my clinical skills. So yeah, I'd say there's like a good mix of like classroom learning versus kind of practical in person.
And then for me, so I'm on placement or on rotation, as we say back home. And so I've this semester I've done surgery and I've done internal medicine for those of you at home. And so most of my days, or depending on which block I was on, start at 7 or 8 in the morning at the hospital, and then you sort of with the teams for a good chunk of the day. And depending what's on with surgeries, or we have tutorials mixed in, or different rounds, or different other examinations, and there's a bunch of stuff we have to get signed off. Usually at a hospital till around 4 or 5 p.m. in the afternoon, and then sort of come home, and then sort of have dinner usually, and then decide, all right, do I have enough energy to study, go to the gym, or sleep? And it's usually one of those three options. As much as I wish I could do all three, it's pretty exhausting. Sort of going to work for the entire day and then coming up to study, but I think it's really nice that, I've been very lucky. I've gotten with a really good group of students. And so we help each other sort of studying and making sure we all have sort of like a good balance, of sort of not getting too exhausted by sort of all the in-person sort of learning with patients, like every day, pretty much full shifts, for lack of a better word, and then trying to sort of balance that with learning some of the more theoretical content as we sort of go up. So that's usually pretty much every day for me for the weekdays.